So if someone's going to start urban sketching for the first time, the advice I would give them is to make sure that you're doing it for the right reasons. And the right reasons are, for me, to have fun, to enjoy yourself. That's the most important reason I think you need to do it. And through that, you will obviously improve if you practice your skills and you think enough and take your time and you know, you're really careful about what you're doing. But I think the most important thing is just to have fun, just to really, really enjoy it, because it's an amazing thing to do, because obviously you get to meet people, you get to travel, you get to find things out, you get to stop and look and really see the world around you. But just have fun, just enjoy it. Think about what it is you want to do. Think about the types of cityscapes or landscapes that you find really interesting. Maybe find some artists whose work that you admire, that you'd like to maybe get some support from. Whether you do a workshop with them or whether you just kind of go off online and copy what they're doing, because there's loads of people out there that will always support you and help you. But just really, go for it. Really, just enjoy it, and you get a great opportunity just to meet people as well. And there's so many people out there that will support you as well. So it's just a great world to get involved in. I mean, personally, I think it's the most social art form that there is, because you're not really working in isolation. You're outside, you're discovering the landscape, you're discovering the cityscape, you're meeting other like-minded people. So just go for it and just do it with a smile on your face, and just be mindful that your studio is the outside world. So you are going to get to interact with people. People are going to come up to you and watch what you're doing and chat to you and stuff like that, and just see that as part and parcel of this wonderful creative experience.
And it might rain.
And it might rain as well. Yeah, absolutely. We haven't had any sleet or snow yet, and I don't think there's any earthquakes forecast, so we should be okay.